Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chloe. I hope you guys are doing all well. In today's video, I'm going to share two Gucci beauty items. These are new Gucci blushes and I got two of them. So I'm going to open each items and will show you. So Gucci Beauty just introduced total 6 different color of the blush. And I got two of them. So you can go for check their website or Sephora to see other colors. So here are my choices in this beautiful Gucci package. And my choices are the number 1, Silky Rose, and number 2, Tender Apricot. So let me start with this number 1. So here is the box and it says cheeks and eyes powder. So this is not just for the blush. I think you can use this one as an eyeshadow. So let's open the box. And package is like this. It's very pretty and beautiful gold star pattern with the Gucci logo and a pastel pink color. It's very cute and pretty. Let me open the case. And this is number 1. Let me get the closer shot. So here is the color. It doesn't have any sparkles or shimmers on it. It looks like a very matte, simple, basic pink color with a Gucci logo embossed. And it has a little mirror on the top. But as you can see, the side view, this opening is just about 90-degree angle. You cannot open more than that. I'm going to show you one more time. I just hope this mirror, this top mirror, will be better if you are able to open a little bit wider. Just my thought. And let's check the color. Looks like a very bright pinkish color. So I'm going to show you swatches just in a second. The texture is very silky and smooth. And it's, as you can see here, it's very powdery. Let me make a color swatches for you. Hopefully you guys can see. Very pretty pink. I think it will be good for everyday makeup. And here is the second item. It's number 2, Tender Apricot. Let me open the box. And the package is like same as number 1. Very cute and little rounded case. And then this number 2 color looks like this. It's like peach orange color. And those blushes doesn't have any cover when you open the case. There is no protector, no film protector or covers like that. It doesn't come with any brushes or eyeshadow tips like that. It's just a single product itself. So let's check the color. Again, it's very silky and smooth texture. And then color looks like this. Okay, here are the color swatches. Hopefully you guys can see. Both are very pretty and good for everyday makeup because it doesn't have any big glitters or sparkles like that. If you are going to use them on your eyes, it will be good for everyday basic makeup in my opinion. I love both, so let me capture them under the natural sunlight. Okay, here are another shot under the sun. Hopefully you guys can see how different looking under the natural sunlight. I think they are good as a blusher. It will be so cute and pretty. But for the price wise, they are quite expensive in my opinion, as just a single color. Of course, you can use them as two different purposes, as an eyeshadow and a blush, but it's still just one color. It's 65 Canadian dollars plus tax, so with that price, you can buy many other eyeshadow palettes with more colors on. Size is 5.5 gram and it seems smaller than a normal blush, but bigger than a single eyeshadow. The package is so cute and it is a Gucci. It's a luxury beauty brand. I look forward to use this a bit longer and see how good quality they are. But I'm sure you are paying for their brand name and the package design. It's just my opinion and just the first impression of this product. Okay, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. I just wanted to share with you to introduce those new blushes. I'm sure many of you guys already got these. Please let me know what color is your favorite and how do you like them. Please follow me on Instagram at chloeidea.collection, same name as this YouTube channel. I'm very active on my Instagram and love to connect with you. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!